catalytic converter from Cadillac SRX 2006. Customer's name is Michelle Hunt Sullivan Hunt. This is the cat from the driver's side of the vehicle, which would be bank 2. In our inspection of other components that could possibly be causing the codes, this was possibly an issue that we've discovered, and we're in the process of actually checking out the contents that are inside the cat itself. As you can see, some of the contents have already dropped into the box we have in front of us on the floor, and we're going to pour whatever else is coming out of it. But go ahead, Mario. Keep in mind that this cat is bad because the contents should not be coming out in the way that they're coming out. So this is a bad catalytic. It will need to be replaced.